Looking for huge savings without leaving your sofa? Shopee's got you covered. Hey guys, Shopee. If you love finding bargains, getting freebies, and shopping from the comfort of your home, you're in the right place. Shopee is the ultimate shopping app for the Philippines and all across Asia. What makes Shopee a favorite? It's simple. You get daily flash sales, crazy vouchers, and the lowest prices on everything from mobile phones, fashion, groceries, to even bikes and home appliances. Every peso counts, so you always get more for less. Hate paying for delivery? With Shopee, enjoy free shipping and cashback on loads of deals. No more overpriced deliveries. Plus, Shopee Pay lets you shop cashless and safe, so you don't need to worry about carrying cash or waiting in long lines. Bored while shopping online? Not here. You can join live selling events, play games, and win extra vouchers while you shop. Imagine scoring discounts just by having fun. From students to moms to business owners, millions trust Shopee every single day. And here's a bonus. If you're new, you can get up to 100% off on your very first purchase. That's right, big savings from the start. So what are you waiting for? Tap that download button, click the link below, and unlock even more discounts. Shop smarter, shop Shopee, today. Don't forget, smash that like button, subscribe for more shopping hacks, and tell us in the comments what you want to buy. Happy shopping guys, Beshi. #ShopeePH, #Tatak Shopee.